The owner of the Foxcroft Town Center in Martinsburg announced Wednesday that the center will be closing on November 1st. The center was previously known as the Martinsburg Mall, and after a decrease in business over the past few years, officials say it's no longer economically feasible to keep open. WHAG's Aaron Miller talked with community members to see their reactions.
People don't really go there like they used to.
After 24 years, the Foxcroft Town Center, a shopping center known for most of its history as the Martinsburg Mall, is closing its interior stores.
Yeah, be careful. No, be careful. Why would we just leave that open? There's a wall there. This one's on. This was the FYE. Completely destroyed. It's not picking up on the camera, but it's really dusty in here. Guessing it's dust or just fog. Oh yeah, there's lights outside.
Leave the light there because I'm taking a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, my lens is fogged in.
No, I'm trying to film. It's really dusty in here. It's really dusty in here. What? It smells really awful in here too. I think this was the fence too. Oh, this is a Route 21. Hold up. The store moved locations before the store shut down. So it moved twice in the mall, which doesn't make sense why they would do that.
I thought they turned on something.
You know, this store changed locations. This used to be down right in front of the FLE.
They cut the power to the side of the mall. Are you filming?
Yeah. So,
How good is it with a low light?
well, this isn't my new lens. But it's good because this light's really bright. Look. I can see you. That's how good the light is right now.
Look at this. They left all kinds of shit here.
I actually never went into the store once when the mall was open. It's just one of the stores I've never went into.
Look at this. Oh my god, they left all this stuff. And there's a bunch of stuff.
I think they figured once they close, they're done for good.
Empty boxes, but this used to be the bookstore.
Hey, look at this. Oh, it's another store. I was about to say they just blocked off. Someone just completely smashed that.
What'd that do?
Nothing. See the source.
This one?
Yeah, I think so.
After it's closed.
No, this wasn't see the source.
This is a nice store.
Actually, it
All
might,
this has the stuff from the bazaar.
this might have been the see the source. I
No,
can't.
this was a closed store. I think this was a fashion bug.
No, because the see the source was in front of.
Yeah, see the source is down there. I'll show you where see the source.
No, the see the source is. Oh, it's a couple stores down.
Yeah, I'll show you where it's at. You can turn your mic up right now.
I cannot hear you.
You can turn your light out.
Turn my light out?
No, you can turn it up.
It is up. Oh, is this the... What store was this?
It's at there's a little plate at the start of the thing. Go back. The entrance to the plate.
Oh, it's a clothing company. I don't remember this. For Martinsburg, this was a really nice store. Jeez.
It's beaming.
Oh, it sucks that they left all of the flags up there. The Coast Guard and Marine and all those flags. Oh, Jesus. That was a Claire's right there. And then that, I believe that was a hair salon. Please visit your stylish at JCPenney salon. Yeah, that was a salon. I actually think that's where JCPenney salon was. And then this was a jewelry store.
It's boring out there.
Yeah, I can hear it. Are we going back to your house after this, or are you gonna drop me off?
I'm gonna go when he's done filming.
Is it?
You keep going.
There's the shoe store. This was, I believe, a country store. I don't know exactly what they were called, but they would have like country things. You can tell the way it smells in here. And that stuff up there. Well, they had fittings. But they have a lot of the God bless and stuff.
What's not rushing? Completely not. I'm leaving my bag right here. Or no?
I just want to take it with me. things though. Did order 2 new lenses. Got a 50mm, which has an aperture of 1.8, so it'll be good for low light. So expect better stuff, I guess. And then I got a Sigma 18 to 250mm lens. This is the source right here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be a really good drill stuff. Yeah, this was definitely it because I can smell the incense. They had a big incense like section like right there. This was like it was like a skate hippie shop, I guess. See right there's an Element poster. Bulbous Dome Drop. Yeah. I was in here. I'm about to scare the shit out of him. Don't move. What are you doing? This was a Boost Mobile store. There's no power, dude.
There is down here.
On this mall too long. Especially in the dark. Alright, let's get lost. I'll film the food court while I go in there. It is sleepy. Let me turn my light down since we're at the door. This is the diner. It smells awful in there.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Shit out of me. Angela's dead.
What'd they do to the old bathroom, I wonder?
Oh, here's where we tried sneaking in. Security's locked. They locked it from the inside.
Oh.
That's locked too.
Angela's used to be lit.
Used to be lit. bathroom all blows up.
Up is on, right?
I'd try being a little quieter.
That doesn't make any sense. How is all of this cut?
Why? I just heard a noise from that bathroom. No, it's water dripping.
Oh shit, I remember this room.
Oh jeez, look how they have this wound up.
This is the room where we used to have, we had a
Community room. That's how it's reflected. Dude, we don't need to go in there. It's just stuff they're using now. Nothing interesting.
What was this? Was Subway.
What's a Subway?
Subway. This was. It's locked.
Subway was like, we're locking our place before we get out. Why they lock a bunch of stuff up like didn't matter?
I guess in case I came in here. This one was not locked. It's just. Oh yeah, it is.
What is it?
It's locked. I thought it wasn't. This was. Make sure you don't rush.
What the fuck?
What? Oh, how in the hell? What the fuck? How? What the? What were they doing?
There's a big hole in the wall right there. That goes on forever. For why?
Oh shit, there's water right here. Oh, it's right through there.
What?
Is that a turd?
I think that's a turd. What the fuck? Who pooped on this thing? Oh, you know where we are?
What?
We're in the back of the sea of the source.
Oh.
Because I came back here. The golf course is what kept this mall open for like months, I'm pretty sure. Literally, the dust in the air is so thick it won't let my camera focus.
Look at the purse. Just kind of sitting here chilling.
What is this, a store that never opened? Oh geez, that's crazy. This must be the part that they're restoring.
What do you mean?
Because they have locks on everything and everything's kept up other than the
Yeah, they're tearing it all out.
security stuff. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. How do you get in there? I guess there's a door. Look at this. Look at all of that wrapping paper. What?
Why did they just leave this? Why wasn't all this option off?
Look at all of this wrapping paper. You know what all this wrapping paper is from?
What?
When they would set up that kiosk in the middle of the mall to wrap people's presents from because they were too lazy to wrap them themselves.
At this point, they're worth money.
There was 1,000 of them made.
A doll.
Yeah, I know, that's what I said. I was like, of course, we come here and there's a doll. There's another doll.
Of course. You know how Dan complained about the Ray Caverns on that Twitter?
Did he?
You know, of course, the only thing that's left is the Ray Cavern. Who charged for shopping bags? Look at this.
Boy. You know LA is doing that, right?
There.
Yeah.
There.
It's like 50 cents a bag that are set. Because they want people to stop using them, so they're like, well, let's charge them. Oh, that's cool. We went back, so back 4 times.
Over here. Here's another store. Never saw the light of day.
Crazy.
I think this place opened in the 90s. And these stores never got open.
Oh yeah, look at that.
But my question is, what's with all the netting?
What netting?
Like the wire netting.
I think this is actually storage.
No, because the guy told me if you look over there, there's temporary walls. Those white walls that you see through the studs are temporary.
Oh, this is K&B's.
Is it just me or does it smell really bad in here?
It smells really bad. The only place it smelled good was to see the source. It's because the incense. Boy, chill that out.
Alright, now. Okay, there's no happening. Okay, I'm giving that up.
Alright, golf course.
This is like the back area, I think. This is the bathrooms. They gutted the bathroom out. Holy crap.
Jeez, they got the stalls and everything off the back.
That's right, because they auctioned them.
They ripped the stalls, the urinals, the sinks. They ripped everything out of the bathroom. Jeez.
This one too.
Did they rip up this one? Oh, it's locked. Alright, let's get
You go over to the golf course. I'm gonna put this picture in my bag. The post office is right there.
This post office. When this mall was open, I actually never went down that way because there's nothing. Alright, I gotta turn my light off until I get into the golf course. Okay. Stick to the walls. Here, turn that off. because just climbed up here on this rock to get like a view just to show how big the golf course is.
I'm going next door.
For being inside of the mall, I'm filming. Let's get away from that door. Oh yeah, let's go over here to the Huh? Oh yeah. Let's go. We're here to the gazebo. And then the big church place. I want to know how that church stayed in here if it was a non-profit place.
You sure it was non-profit?
Yeah. There's a Radio Shack. Oh, this is also a haircuttery place. Squarespace.
They really cut people's hair and just put it in the middle of the floor. Boy,
That's like
that's
nasty.
people's hair.
It's probably what we're smelling. Ugh. Breathing.
It smells so bad.
And it's probably hair particles. Oh, jeez. Someone got waxed.
Oh my god, did he sell his mixtapes out of the back of the store? There's a whole I swear to God.
Ooh, yeah, boy, I have to turn that light off now. Look, it is.
It's still working.
What? Boy, they had their own espresso bar. They called this place the living room. It was like, I think
Used to be over by.
they tore the stage up. Tuxedo Boys.
For doing, might have to just stop on the phone. Alright. We have one more store and then we leave.
They like, all the other ones they just blocked off with a temporary wall or whatever. This one, they actually put cinder blocks up. Dude, I don't know what this place was.
Alright.
What's that beeping noise?
Huh?
What's that beeping?
It's a soap dispenser.
Oh. Alright, are we leaving?
Take your.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What? Hey, do you know where you can find that New Moon movie yet?
You'll be able to find it up at FYE.
Okay.
I haven't heard anything. Let me check. All security.
Do we have a 10-100 in the mall? I'm getting nothing. I'm assuming not. Yeah, if we need to, we'll issue a bolo. Be on the lookout for.
Are you gonna give me a call? Because I gave you my number. I mean, you can call me on one of these nice blackberries that we sell here. You know, that'd be really awesome. I'd love to have.
Time to build this empty